Hello everyone, I'm Jay and this is the Camden Stitch. Hello, thank you so much for joining me. I want to start by thanking you from the bottom of my heart for the comments that you left on my last video. I think it was quite obvious that it was a little bit of a maybe emotive topic, and the support that I got from everybody and also your comments letting me know that it was something that other people had experienced too were just really gratifying to read, and I really appreciate those people who took the time to leave a comment, and I hope it was an interesting, thought-provoking and helpful vlog. Anyway, today I'm just going to take us for a quick squiz through the latest Fibre Mood. You may have noticed from the title of this vlog that I am in a slight mood with Fibre Mood, and it's just because I wasn't that impressed with the last edition, unfortunately. It's a great magazine, I am really keen on it and I will keep my subscription, but I was just a little bit disappointed with the patterns in it this month. But hey, everybody has an off day, so let's have a look through and you can hear me kind of grumbling about the patterns. All right, I'll see you at the end. This is this month's. The first pattern is a very basic slip dress. I do not think that it is nice as a lot of the popular cami patterns that are out at the moment. Obviously the ubiquitous Ogden, which I don't own, but I've got a very similar cami pattern which is a lot nicer than that. I just think the straps, I think it looks like they've used some leather thong or something. I don't know, it doesn't look nice. It looks like the bust dart is on the wrong place on this particular model. I think it looks cute there with trainers, but it's just so basic that I think that to lead with that one, a little bit disappointing. Here it is again. It's nice that they've shown it on different models with different body shapes. Here's the line drawing. You can see it really is that simple. It's got crossover straps at the back, but I suppose you can choose whether you want them crossed or not. Not that thrilled with that one. This is their next one, which I'm kind of even less whelmed. Hang on, that's not a word. I was going to say underwhelmed. I'm even more underwhelmed. That's not the right way of saying it. Okay. It's very disappointing. I mean, it's just a tube of fabric sewn up with elastic around the top. Come on. And who is going to look good in that? Honestly, I defy you. Even if you were Heidi Klum, Claudia Schiffer, even their boobs are going to be too big to look good in something like that. It's just going to make you look like a house. They've got it here with straps, which I think is cuter, but I still think, I don't know, the kids' version looks nice because not as much boob going on. I don't know, I don't want to comment on how other people, what other people choose to wear, and what is flattering. At the end of the day, if you like it, then it's flattering. So I feel a bit bad for what I've said about those things, but I just feel it's like an overly simple pattern, especially after the other one. Here's the line drawings of it. I like the straps. The tie straps, I suppose if I was going on holiday and I wanted to make something really quick, like a cover up, it would be okay, but not that impressed with Zara Fibre Mood. I like this cute kids dress, Poppy. There it is, really sweet little tiered dress, and it's lovely in the yellow fabric. And Fibre Mood sizes do actually go up to well, they're 14 years. It's actually too big for me. I'd need to be the next size down from them, but I have other dresses that are too similar to bother with making that, so I wouldn't be bothering with that pattern, which is a shame. I do think these shorts are cute. They are called Cherry. Again, they're just very basic elasticated waist shorts.
This is a cute pattern, but I think this is from the previous edition of Fibre Mood. So it's a pattern hack. I think it's a hack of one that they've featured before, but I thought it actually had that version in the last edition. This dress is a little bit more structured. Here's the line drawings of it. It's okay. It looks nice in this striped fabric that it's been done up in. I like that. And in the bigger stripes, I'm not quite as keen on it, but you can see a thong underneath. Should have worn a slip really. I mean, this skirt, come on, it's just a tie waist skirt. I feel like they've gone from giving us really nice, well designed, well fitted, well drafted patterns to just a load of drawstring and elasticated waist stuff. I mean, I think that top's gorgeous, but that isn't a pattern, that's just some ready to wear that they've styled that skirt with. I mean, the skirt on its own is okay, but no. Right, now, actually, this is just turning into a really negative review, I'm afraid, but I don't work for them, I'm going to say what I think. I'm going to show you this pattern, right, and I want you to tell me what you think, okay? Here is this cute, lovely dress with a yoke and a V-neck and a ruffle sleeve, and here it is in some like crinkle gauzy type fabric. Very sweet. Here are the line drawings. Okay, now let's look at one of McCall's latest releases. It is so much like View B that I am really struggling to think that that is not the same pattern as that. I genuinely can't see any difference between those two dresses at all. I suppose these things happen, you know, there are trends, there are only so many dresses that you can make, but I think that's a bit unfortunate. Okay, onto some kids, little cute kids top with little popper neck, I like that. Then it goes up to older kids sizes, goes right up to 14 years. And then they do it in an adult version, and it is just a straight jersey dress with poppers at the neck. They've done it in a ribbed jersey there and a khaki ribbed jersey there. Very simple sew. I don't know, I've already got a lot of patterns in my stash that are like that or could easily be hacked into something like that. That isn't anything new for me. Next up, they've got a knitting pattern top, which I think is quite cute. I think it's quite different, with the floofy, fuzzy army things. Maybe if I knitted, that's okay. I think this top is okay. Is this knitting or crochet? Knitting, I think. Yeah, it's okay. Not for me, but alright. And now they have given us a V-neck t-shirt. I don't know, is this edition called like the Basics edition or something? Maybe I've missed something. You know, it's a V-neck t-shirt, like... No, it doesn't sort of say that this is like supposed to be like a wardrobe basics edition, but that seems to be all they've given us this time. And they've got the same pattern for a guy, so they have really phoned it in with this one. You know, I think the woman's one has an extra button on it, on the neckline, but very little in terms of difference there. This is a free online pattern. I don't know, looks quite nice and flouncy. Might have to look that up and see what that is. Oh no, it's a Zara t-shirt that's been hacked. I don't know. Now this is the only dress in here that I would make up, and I do actually really like it, and I've got a plan to make it up in a fabric. I like the asymmetry, I like the sort of easy sack style. It might be a bit difficult to fit on me because these straight styles tend to fit me well on the top, but then I need quite a lot of ease in the skirt portion, so we'll have to grade out on the hips. But I do like that. I think that you could make that up in a kind of Georgette type fabric and it would look really smart for work. I keep on talking about like I've got a job to go to. I could pretend that I went to work. But I think you could also make it up in like a, I don't know, maybe even like a kind of geometric jersey, and it would look quite casual with sneakers. I think that you could style it a lot of different ways. It looks like it's just finished with either a binding, just a pretty easy neckline, and looks like all the finishings are quite simple, so I reckon this would be a very quick sew. So I'm going to have a go at that one. At least I will feel like I've got some benefit out of this edition. And then in the back what they have is they have all the instructions step by step with diagrams, but then if you go online then they have all the instructions with words. I do think that their instructions are good because I like the fact that you can have the simple version of the instructions or the more complex version of the instructions. Alright, this is a subscription offer that I mentioned. Don't let this moan put you off Fibre Mood. I do think it's ordinarily very good. I think that a lot of these magazines have off days. I've just done a review of this month's Birder, which I was really underwhelmed with as well. Maybe it's because it's the summer months that they're just doing a lot of clothes that are very kind of beachwear. But a year for €55 is not bad.
What did you think of the patterns in the latest Fibre Mood? Let me know. Is it just me? Did I think that they were... Is it just me that thinks that they were a bit basic? Let me know what you thought and we'll have a chat in the comments below. And as ever, please, if you like this, then give me a massive great thumbs up. And, oh, look at my nails, they're new. Just got them done. Give me a thumbs up, please, and Betsy will go enjoy. And click on the subscribe button and the notifications button, and I shall see you next time. Lots of love from Camden. Bye.